and click the continue button here. These include filling up your personal details, choosing your currencies, and some extremely private stuff that you should be able to do on your own. I just don't want to show my private stuff. Okay, please. Welcome to the video. In this one, I'll be showing you how you can create your own Wise bank account. And I said bank account because it is literally that. It's e-banking platform, which is online, which has the same vibes with PayPal because it is literally that. It is a PayPal competitor, a PayPal killer, whatever you want to call it. And their motto here says that they send more money globally for less, and then move your move your money where it matters, and then save on international transfers in over 50 currencies without any hidden fees, which is something they're showing here. And it says that if you send like $1,000 to like the Philippines, you can save up to $40 just from that. And if we scroll down here, this is the landing page that we'll be able to see later on. So, and funny too, I'll be moving on to our phone because there is something that's wrong with account creation online here on your desktop. It may be that Wise is still not available, at least the registration, in some parts of the world. So they're moving some of the registration to their app on the phone. So let's talk about that later. So yeah, a lot of reviews, blah blah blah. And they're also flexing here that they have very good security. And if we look here, we actually have a page that's dedicated to how they are much better and how wise it is to use Wise. Get it? Because it's called Wise. Whatever. I'm not gonna be wasting any more of your time, so let's head over and I'm gonna show you how you can register an account with Wise. And here we have it. You have the option to use Google, Facebook, or Apple to create an account on Wise, but to show you the entire process, I'm just gonna be going to use an email address. Now what I'm gonna do is write down this email address, and then if we go next, it's gonna ask us. And now here you're given the option whether you want to go for a personal account where you can just send, spend, and receive around the world for less, or for a business account where you can do business transactions easily. Let's go for the personal account this time. Next, it's gonna ask us where we live. I live in the Philippines. I'm gonna put it there. Live in the Philippines. Next, it's gonna ask us for our mobile number. So here I am writing down my mobile number, and if you look at this one. Once I send my mobile number, it's gonna ask us to download their app, which is what I did because I don't know why this is happening. I can't see any explanation online, but it could be possibly because of the region that you're in. Instead of complaining about it, we immediately head to our phone, and here we are. Now I'm on my Android phone with the same number that I used with an app I had downloaded from the Play Store, the Wise app, of course. It's going to make us go through the same process, but when we reach the mobile number part, it's going to give us a verification code instead. Finally, they're going to ask you to put a password. If you don't want to, then what's the point of you creating a Wise bank account if you're too unwise? After that, we're given these options, and the next is our personal information, where we just need to fill it in, including your name and your address, and voila, we're registered. But to unlock its full potential, don't forget to head over here on the top left corner and click the continue button here. These include filling up your personal details, choosing your currencies, and some extremely private stuff that you should be able to do on your own. I just don't want to show my private stuff. Okay, please move on. So that's it. That's how you can create your own Wise account. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Once again, thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And make sure to comment down below any thoughts or suggestions that you would like us to make in the future. Thank you so much.